Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to increase unlimited RAM on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To increase unlimited RAM on Windows 11 computer, first of all I am going to show you my RAM installed in my computer. Right click on taskbar, click on task manager. Here click on performance and select memory, and look, the memory is 2 GB. Now close task manager, and now I am going to show you the virtual memory. Click on start menu, click on settings, click on system, and now click on storage. Now click on show more categories. Now click on system and reserve. Here look, the virtual memory is 960 MB. Now close settings, insert, type advanced system settings, click on view advanced system settings. In system property, click on advanced tab, and here you will find performance, visual effects, processor schedule, memory use, and virtual memory. Click on settings. Here click on advanced tab. You will find the virtual memory here, and now the total paging file size all drive 704 MB. Now click on change, uncheck automatically manage paging file. I am going to increase the memory to increase virtual memory 3 GB. Calculator, and I want to increase 6 GB RAM. Type 6 into 1024 equal to 6144 MB. Okay, now click on custom size. The maximum size 6144, and the initial size, I want to give the initial size 4 GB. 4 into 1024, 4096. Okay, the initial RAM 4096. Now click on set, and now click on OK. Look, the memory is changed here. Now click on OK. Click on OK. Now I'm going to check again. Click on start menu, click on settings, click on system, then storage, click on show more categories, and click on system and reserved. Look, the virtual memory has been changed to nearly 6 GB. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.